Hello, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to do a voiceover because I wanted to really walk you through the different moves and why I was doing what I'm doing. So here we're going to be doing cable kickbacks and side leg lifts. Now I'm doing a super lightweight because this is my warm-up. I didn't warm up with bands today. So we're doing it straight to the back and then straight off to the side, and we're elevated so we can get a full range of motion. All right, so watch the form. Slight lean forward and then kicking up and off to the side. Yes. These little suckers hurt, I won't lie to you, but they are totally worth it for that glute round, full figure that you're looking for. And then let's take a moment to look at these abs though. God, I've been working on them and they love to play peekaboo, so I had to pop that in here, get a little screenshot. But moving on past that, the reason why I wanted to point out the abs is because if you look here, they are constantly engaged. A lot of people are just so concentrated on the leg, but you need to brace your core, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, brace yourself with just minimal arm assistance. It's really supposed to be your core and your legs. Obviously, leg being the most important muscle group that we're going to be hitting here. Straight back and up. Try to keep your upper body steady as possible. And then we're going to move right on into our squats. Now, a bench is a good way to make sure that you have the safety, but then also making sure that you get that full range of motion all the way up, all the way down. You need 90 degrees or lower for a full squat, okay? So I'm showing it from the back, and then I'm also going to show it from a side angle as well. Now, I superset those with deadlifts. And as you can see here as well, you really want to engage your core. And I'm doing more of a sumo style. And I went up in weights. I probably should have had a wider stance, but this is still a really good stance. And you really hinge at the hip. Don't use your back, use your butt. Now we're moving back into our squats. So I have a slight lean forward. And I stay with that slight lean. And I do not lock my knees at the top. I know it kind of looks like I'm locking it from the back, but that's why I wanted you to see it from the side. So you can see I have a slight bend in my knees, protecting them at all times. And this workout I really worked on form and didn't do as heavy weight. So I've been doing that here lately. I'll do one heavy day, then I'll turn around and I'll do a day where I just really focus on form, and I may drop the weight a tad bit. But these deadlifts though, however, I went up. You can't see it, but there's an extra 10 on there. I have a little 10 that I took off of the squat rack. So that's a 55, a 10, and another 10. So yeah, your girl's going up, finally going up. All right, so showing the squats one more time because again, I feel it's so important because I used to hate squats. But now that I'm getting my form right, they make a hell of a difference. And like I said, that slight lean forward and pelvic tilt, I now really feel it in my booty where I didn't used to. All right, so now we're going to be doing some abductions. Now these, I put my hands behind me because I was trying to keep my back as straight as possible. Due to my height, sometimes the preset machines they leave a gap in my back. So that's why I did it. And then I wanted you guys to see it. See when I lean back? See how there's that gap? Okay, good. Wanted to make sure we were on the same page. But that's why I was trying a different variation. And then with these hip thrusts, I wanted to make sure that you guys saw the whole setup. So I put a band around my knees. And I talked about this on my IG page, but basically I have an issue where I try to go heavy on this machine. However, the belt really digs into my hips. So I went and got a regular mat and folded it up. And then I put on the belt and then I tightened it before I could even do my actual set. So check it out. You'll see here. I used to only be able to do a 45 plate and a 25 plate. But as you can see here, I have two 45 plates. And then by the time I'm recording and posting this video, I've now actually went past that to two 45s and a 25. And I will say this extra mat, the extra padding, is like a lifesaver because I traditionally would do a free bar or I'll do a Smith machine that goes all the way to the ground to do my hip thrust. But now I can actually use this Nautilus machine where at first it was just collecting dust. I didn't really use it for anything but maybe a warm-up. All right, so I'm also going to include the remainder of my workout because I did not record everything. I think it's about 3 things I'm missing. So I just want to leave it down below like in an actual screenshot so you can see what I did, how many reps, and how many sets. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'd be happy to answer it.